learn these shortcuts, 50 plus shortcuts, new event and command plus N to create a new project. Inside our timeline we have different buttons, the amount of photos, videos, articles, podcasts, so much stuff. And one video about VHF look, and this is made by me. In C footage, a lot of C footage, you can check first link in the description.